11 Weather Plus forecast with meteorologist John Collins.
Well, this morning's weather kind of a mixed bag. Definitely not the nice stuff we had a few days ago. There's a little bit of everything out there except snow. Some shower activity on the eastern shore, mostly in Delaware, from Delaware Bay southward, now affecting Ocean City. That's rather obvious on the radar. A couple little sprinkles over the central portions of the bay, even over Baltimore. We have a little drizzle. That doesn't show up well on radar. Moving into Charles County now from west to east, some showers. And near Winchester, what was a thunder shower a little earlier is now just a little area of shower activity. All of this stuff is moving mostly to the east and northeast right now. You don't see a lot of it on the radar, but it's there. And this is the kind of day we're going to have today. The activity will probably pick up toward the end of the day. There are the drizzle drops on the lens of our Skycam overlooking the Inner Harbor. So we can't really see the Inner Harbor anymore because of that mist out there. That's the kind of day it's going to be. 60 at the airport, Inner Harbor, 63. 86% the humidity. You say, well, with all that stuff, how come it's not 100%? Well, I don't want to get into the physics right now. It would take the next hour. But anyway, it's pretty saturated air mass out there is what the best term to put it. And it will stay that way all day today. 61 Annapolis, Salisbury 59, Parkton 58, Edgewood 61, same at Frederick. In the 50s to near 60 out in far western Maryland right now. General satellite picture shows the stormy activity, which spent most of the week last week from the mountains westward, has now slipped to the coastal portions of the mid-Atlantic region, and the good weather has been pushed out over the Atlantic, where only the fishes can appreciate it. The storm center itself is out over Illinois right now, the upper air part of the storm. By this evening, it'll only be in Indiana, and it'll be over Ohio tomorrow. It's a very slow-moving thing. In fact, it'll take a chunk of next week before this finally kind of slips out of our region. So we have several days of rain in the forecast now. Today's rain really mostly just scattered showers, and we'll stress the scattered nature. It won't be all rain all the time. If it's not raining, it'll be cloudy, or there could be a little drizzle or mist. And by the end of the day, maybe a thunderstorm or two, especially out to the west of us. 67 to 72, the high today. Slight risk for severe weather is out to the west, West Virginia, Ohio, River Valley, down into the Carolinas. So general shower and thunderstorm activity is more typical over our region. So severe weather is not at the top of our list here with today's conditions. Coastal flood advisory. Western shore of the bay during the day today. High tides at Annapolis at 3:01 this afternoon, 4:31 in Baltimore, 7:37 this morning, and 7:44 at Havre de Grace this evening. It's a coastal flood watch, a slightly enhanced activity down around Annapolis and Anne Arundel County. Most of the rain will be west of us today. The more significant rains up around an inch or more than that. Our rain chances, maybe a little target just off to our west, but generally we're going to see less than a half inch of rain. Our temperatures will be in the 70s over the next few days. Rain chances from today right into the middle of next week before we can finally dry out.